Well, I'm all for Christmas. All the happy
Merry Christmas from the
smiles
studios
and
of
the
Better with
wishes.
Brigetta.
And I want it
Today we're making
all from
Caprese
the
Skewers. We've never done it before, and Mark certainly hasn't done it before. We're going to talk our way through it, and we hope you enjoy.
We have 3 ingredients.
Yep.
Some green leafy thing, some round white thing, and I know what those are. Cherry tomatoes.
Cherry tomatoes, we've got mozzarella pearls, and we've got fresh basil.
Ooh, that's why. It smells
Yeah.
wonderful.
And we have skewers, which I got at Hobby Lobby. So we have a Christmas tree and a snowman.
Very nice.
We got at the beginning of the season.
So we're taking these down to the family gathering here in a few minutes.
Right, exactly.
All right.
For Christmas. That's our contribution. Now, some of the basil leaves are small and some of them are large. So I think the large ones we'll have to tear apart
I can do that.
into a couple pieces. And let's see, let's give it a try as far as how much can fit on there. So you could start with a tomato. Could do a, depending on the size, put a basil leaf in between.
Oh, pretty.
Mozzarella. For pearls, they're very odd shaped. And then you could do another tomato.
Maybe just, I would say, are you going to load it up?
I'm not sure. Let's see. And you could do that.
Yeah, that's
Right,
good.
like that.
Maybe one more piece of mozzarella.
Okay.
Let's try that.
So you could see it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I like that. So,
You like that? Okay.
all right, I can follow these instructions.
Okay.
We have to move quickly because the sleigh leaves for the North Pole here soon. I'm already making mistakes. I'm going to fold this basil leaf over.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Let's see. All right. So really big basil leaf. Oh, and I gave us each a paper towel to
Oh,
wipe
looks
our
good.
hands.
Looks good.
I'm doing right from the top. Which way are you doing yours? Oh,
Every
okay.
different way because I'm a man.
Okay. We're going to finish them off with salt and pepper and then the balsamic glaze. Oop, didn't even have them all the way up. I think that's, that's good
Looks
bite
good.
size, party
Yeah.
size.
Very festive.
It is.
All right, you're doing the snowman, I'm doing the Christmas trees.
Okay, that sounds good. This is so easy. And it doesn't have to be for Christmas. You could do this appetizer anytime. Finish with yours right there in the middle.
All right, well, Merry Christmas, everybody.
Wait, we're not done.
What are we doing? Oh, yes.
A little salt and pepper for seasoning. So I'm going to move this out of the way. Here, you want to do
Got
do
the
the-
pepper cannon here.
move it a little closer?
For those of you that are curious, you can buy this from a company called Man Kitchen, appropriately named. 1 crank is equal to 10 cranks of a normal pepper cannon, pepper mill.
You think that's enough?
That's a lot.
Okay, all right,
And I like pepper.
okay. All right, salt.
A little salt here.
Oh, that looks good. And then we're going to do the glaze.
Ooh.
I think is the best part.
Giarusa, product of Italy, glaze with balsamic vinegar and Moderna. I won't try the rest.
Yeah. Well, you can make your own too. That's certainly an option, but this is the fastest.
Ooh, it's got a cork.
It does.
I'm guessing I should put my finger here so as not to.
I don't know.
Not sure how this is going to come out. Could be dangerous.
Oh, you mean if it's too liquidy?
It's not very liquidy.
Okay. Well, the glaze should be thicker.
Let me have a plate so I can.
Okay.
I'm a little concerned.
Okay.
I don't want a balsamic catastrophe. like Heinz ketchup,
Oh,
I
here it
think.
comes. I see it.
Oh, look at that. Okay.
Yeah, I don't
Now
think
I
you
feel
have to.
comfortable. We don't need a hazmat incident.
There we go. Now, I would say if you were taking it to a party, that I would do the balsamic glaze when you get there.
I think we'll save the rest for when we arrive at our
Right.
destination, which is about 45 minutes
Right.
south of us. So
Because that could be a mess. Oh, let's get us someplace. Or do
Can we
we
try?
need a plate? Yeah. Maybe we don't.
okay, I'm going in. Cover me. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm.
I like it. I think it's a winner.
Yes, definitely.
Couldn't be any easier than that.
All right. Well, that's a quickie. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Happy holidays. We'll see you in the next video. I will write the information in the description box, but I think that's pretty easy to follow. Remember, 2 videos a week. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.
Well, bye.
We'll see you next time.
Good job. I think it needs 1 basil leaf for each bite.
that you're missing. I will keep you warm as soon as you
One
remove
basil
that
sprout.
snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I live